Coffee is one of the most commonly enjoyed beverages around the world. Yet, its bitterness can be overpowering for some. Enter salt, a simple ingredient that can transform your coffee experience. The sodium ions bond to taste receptors, masking bitterness and enhancing other flavors. Start with 1/4 teaspoon of salt to 12 tablespoons of ground coffee for a 6-cup pot. Adjust to taste, being careful to avoid making your coffee too salty. You can also add a pinch of salt to an already brewed cup. The results? Coffee that is noticeably less bitter and acrid, with its bright fruity notes becoming more pronounced. Not a hot coffee fan? Cold brew can be your bitterness-free solution. Cold brewing is the process of steeping coffee grounds in cold water for a smoother taste. Salt and hot coffee or smooth cold brew. Choose your best coffee experience. Here's to better coffee and happy sipping.